Hello friends, my name is Vipin Nair, founder of Ecodas Educational and Consulting Solution Private Limited. I did my MBA from Edith University, Australia in 2009. After that, I got into this particular industry called digital marketing. So this digital marketing industry is basically, if you ask me what is that digital marketing, it's all about advertising your products, services, business through digital platform. So how this particular sector going to help you in your career, if you ask me that thing, this particular sector has a great opportunity because this particular industry has will known as a fresher industry. If you are a person who wanted to start your career, this particular industry welcomes freshers to get into this particular industry. And digital marketing has a great opportunity because most of the people now are spending their most of the time on digital platform. So half of the population are in Facebook, and so many users are now friendly with the internet connection. They are very active on internet platforms. So that's the opportunity for all the businesses. So if you see around these things, all the businesses require to sell their product or increase their business or generate more leads. So you can do these all things through digital platform. So this particular section has given a lot of opportunity on that scenario, as demand is very high for this particular industry and the supply as a resource supply is very less. So this particular industry requires good resources, quality resources, so that this particular industry can grow. So India is expecting to be the hub for this particular industry. So this particular sector is one of the best sector, if I have to say, for the future endeavor. If you ask me, after 5 years, where this industry is actually going and what is the place where most of the job will be created, if you ask me that thing, so I will say that after next 5 years, this industry is going to be very, very boom because, as I already told you, there's so much demand in this particular market, and based on the demand, quality supply is very less. So getting people, quality people, very, very important. So that's actually going to increase the chances of quality people to get into this particular industry. And the job, mostly the job is going to be created into there are the segments like SEO, social media, Google ads, search engine marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing. So what I think is most of the openings which is going to become in the future segment is basically for SEOs and as well as affiliate marketing, which I have to see, like those are the places where the most of the openings and the most of the requirements will be going to be arrived. So other than that, there is ad segment is there where social media advertisement all segment is there, where people will get more job focus section. So also this particular industry has given a opportunity to creative designers and content writers to come into along with this industry and work with that. So that is also a place where people actually looking for getting finding a new job. So these are the some job platforms, job career posters which is actually going to be grow going forward the years. If you ask me about the skills which are going to be very, very effective in the future, that is the short SEO as well as affiliate marketing. These are the skills which is like high demand, and it's going to be very unique because these things require very specific experience and very specific skill to develop. So other than that, content writing will be also one of the effective section where more skilled people required, and these are the some basically I think in that particular segment a requirement will be there. Other than that, social media marketing, ads, advertisements, people doing advertisement, all those skills will be also important. But if you ask me very focused which skill people need to be focused on, it's content writing, SEO, and affiliate marketing. If you ask me about career path, you can start with any different segment like SEO or email marketing, affiliate marketing, social media, or ads, search engine marketing. These are the some segment where you can start your career with. And once you start your career as a junior SEO analyst, then you will get into senior SEO analyst, then you get into the SEO lead, and then you get into the more advanced position. So that will be the targeting sections where each particular post will be going to be. and you need to be understand that you can start but you need to learn everything, like you need to know full digital marketing uh, before if getting into the digital marketing section. And after that you can specialize into any specific section where you like if you like to be get specialized on SEO, you can go and specialize on SEO section. So that is the focus point you can do on this particular section. So that will be the like the where the you can go and plan where your career you actually wanted to move. Let's talk about the salaries. So normally the range of like if you starting your career as a SEO junior SEO analyst, normally in India range it's coming from 10,000 to 20,000 range. That is the junior level you can start with. As the experience grows, this industry actually requires experience. So as your experience grows, your salary will be very high. You can get up to like 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees after 4 5 year of experience having managing all digital complete full digital managing complete digital accounts. So that is the like a growth of this particular section. And in initial stage it will be going to be very focused from 10,000 to 20,000 range. If you're going to metros you can maybe get like 20 to 30 range also, but mostly you can expect like 10 to 20,000 as in a fresher level. So and this particular industry, as I told you, like it's a kind of as you grow your experience, grow your knowledge, the chances of multiplying your salary is very high. So you need to understand that to get into this particular industry. The common challenges of this particular industry is this industry is bombarded with the information. Okay, so what to learn, what not to learn is the basic struggle for you. So as a new employee, we all are new to the market and we just wanted to perform best. So we will go through the all the resources possible to get and perform on our job. You need to understand that you need to have a right skill, you need to develop a right skill, and for that you can go to a right place to develop those skill. If you are done in the right way you can go and execute that, and rely on the only on reliable sources, because this particular plate section, after running a small ad, people pretend themselves to be as an expert. You just go to YouTube, most of the experts like these are there. So you don't believe all those things, you only go with the right kind of resources which is actually trustworthy, and this is like worthy to you to go and look into that. So the this is the one thing what I personally felt like when a junior gets into the job, he actually faces the information overload. Okay, so you need to understand that what specific need to you need to learn and how you need to execute. So most of the things you need to be learned while doing it. Okay, and if you got a guidance from a like a right person, that is always going to be helpful for you. So don't go and look for the over information. So whatever information you are have, you utilize those information and try to get maximum result out of it. Other situation where comes in this particular section is some of the things like SEO is take times to show the result. So as a junior analyst, when you get into this particular section and when you work 1 month 2 month and you don't see the result, you get depressed. But you need to be understand that you need to be very confident, because some of the time it takes time to get the result, and you don't need to be like get depressed or get leave very soon whatever things you are doing. So keep on doing and keep on increasing your knowledge. And that is the one more thing which I felt like this particular industry is very updating industry. Every second day, third day, there would be a new update. So you need to understand that you need to be keep on updating yourself. If you are a person who getting into this particular industry, at least 2 to 3 hours you need to keep yourself updated. So that's why don't focus on everything, try to focus on one specific section. If you wanted to get into SEO, focus on SEO. In SEO also, if you wanted to get into on page, focus on page. So being specialized in one particular segment is always going to be very helpful for your future career. Or if you go for the everything, you become non-expert. So you need to be focused on one specific thing, one specific tag in the best way. So that is the what I personally feel like. If a new employee is getting into this particular sector and building their career, they need to focus on very specific skill to develop on.